days where you're charged $50 a pop for a $10 filter in your car. You have a Cobalt yourself. Doesn't even take any tools. You just pop this clip off over here. Let's get a nice shot of that clip action. Out with the old, in with the new. I'm just kidding, you gotta take the plastic off of there. Bada bing, bada boom. Your engine's breathing like new. Be sure to check the link on Amazon for that bad boy. Link in description, of course. And while we're at it, let's head on over to the cabin air filter and knock that one out at the same time too. Alright, so the cabin air filter in here is located behind there are 3 tabs that just click, pull them down like that, and then you pull this little feller out like so and go, wow, that is disgusting. So it is a moment to question whether or not your girlfriend's been visiting her other boyfriend down that dirt road. Because you're wondering, man, I just did this 5,000 miles ago. How'd it get so dirty again? But, you know, that's between you and her. It's always easier getting it out than putting it in. Clips back up. Flex this. And you're done.